Hey, today we're talking to Bern. Bern is here, and he's going to talk to us about the Dude, which is right here. Take it away.
Thank you, guys. We are here with Cowboy Cauldron Company. We are the finest fire grill and fire pit and grill on the planet. The Cowboy Cauldron's really unique. It's a hanging fire pit. You get everything. You get a grill, a fire pit, a cook basin itself, all hanging from a beautiful tripod frame. Adjustable size. You can adjust where you want the fire pit height off the ground. You can cook in the pot, you can cook on it, and it makes just a great fire pit all the way around. All solid plate steel, powder coated. These are functional yard art for your backyard. They are amazing. Come in 4 sizes. This is our smallest model, the Dude. It's a 24-inch basin, and it goes up from there. We run up to the Urban Cowboy, which is a 30-inch basin, then the Wrangler, which is a 36-inch basin, and then all the way up to the Ranch Boss, which is a 42-inch basin, weighs about 200 pounds. Awesome pieces, Cowboy Cauldron. Check them out. You can find us at cowboycauldron.com.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.